welcome to Primetime News. It's your host Lava. Today we'll be talking about news breaking, not breaking news. Man collapse and going to coma because him find out say the house him rent for 10 years and wife I own a feed. Man shot him 4-year-old son over cheesecake. Man shot himself and run away. I know we can't find him to this day. Go give back money because she can't manage. So guys, in the fart stream.
What did he say?
We have a resident are complaining about water from 1994 and now we're in 1865. So guys, we will switch into DJ Lava to show us our resident. Thank you.
Justice, more without a water in the yard. Justice.
Thank you, Mr. Lava from the studio. So we're here in the village and we're hearing a lot about they want justice for water. So let's hear what the residents have to say, guys.
Justice, who want justice? A 3 year now, me no beard. Why they do so bad? Good God, man. Justice, you want more beard? My arms stink, my body was stink. Want justice? Hey, why they do so bad? Why? Good God, man.
So that is from the first resident. Here you got the other resident. So let's hear.
Justice, who want? Now me more think.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
We want justice, we don't know water. You have to sit in a bucket and a clean up a neighbor yard. We want justice. Justice, we want justice.
So you're hearing from the residents. So you have one more resident I really want to hear
Alright,
from.
what's the man? It's about to back up. 30 years. You see it free. Him use on beer, cook, and them something there. You see it free.
So you hear it. So we have a next resident where a lot of residents are here complaining. So here we are the next one.
Justice. We want justice a long time in a beard right now for us to report. Spell me on right now.
Oh my God,
We
man.
want justice. We want brush my teeth every morning and beard. We want justice. We want justice.
Yo, put it
We
in.
want justice.
So you hear from the next resident. We have a lot more to talk about.
Justice.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Justice.
You hear from so let's hear.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
So you hearing from the residents, guys. So you hearing about a lot of things going on. Oh my God, I'm about to die. They stink as hell. Oh my God. Thank you, Mr. DJ. So the next breaking news you got, we hear a lot of shot in Bushback Lane. And the residents are here talking about a lot of stuff are going on. So we're going to switch to that right now. So we're going back into the studio. Thank you, Mr. Lava. So we are here in Bushback Lane. And we're in a lot of shots. We have a lot of residents are here to talk about it. So let's hear about the shooting. So we can hear that.
I'm here, but on delivery, I'm here. Boom, boom.
Oh my God. So, yeah.
When I tell me, think I'm my wife, book me. Tell me, say, serious in dead, lad, serious in dead.
So we have another resident.
Yo, me say, boy,
So you guys you hear it from here. There's a lot of stuff are going on in the video. Oh my God, so guys, and it's your boy Lava, we're signing out.
Later that night.
Sarge, watch me, you know shot. Of course me shot him, Sarge. Sarge, remember me a crab shot in a Sarge. Remember Canada me come from, you know. Come me too bad in a Sarge. Yo, check if in dead, Sarge. Check if in dead. You dead? Yeah man, in dead. In dead man, Sarge, in dead. In dead! Money! Money! Jesus Christ, I'm not gonna get the money. Yo, no, I'm no police again, man. I'm done.